Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you on a journey where there is a lot of beauty. There is golden grass here and golden scenes are visible everywhere. Sometimes there come such turns in our life where instead of greenery, we see beauty in a golden way, and in the same way today we are with you, presenting which is cast in golden color. I hope you enjoyed my little golden grass video today. My purpose in making this video is to show that beautiful and rare thing of nature, seeing which your heart gets solace and happiness.